Well, day 25, I think, at Overbury. It's definitely August, and it's the 18th of August. In fact, we're in Rich Hill, and this is where the Macdon header really comes into its own here. We've got very undulating ground, as you can see, across here, and then if I look down into the valley through there, and just the ability, we've got it on its skids at the moment, and it's getting right down there, picking up all of this laid patchy crop. This is all the deer that we have on the farm, wild ones, yeah, they just kind of get mantling around from sort of woodland area to woodland area, and it must be nice and sheltered in this bit of a valley, because that's where they tend to hang out. Yeah, we are just about to wrap harvest up today in terms of the bulk of it. We have got a little field of Skyfall and a little field of Planet Spring Barley left to go down in the Vale, but this is the last bit of Zulu up on the hill. We're right up sort of just above Overbury village itself, and we are cutting this Zulu. It's about 16% moisture, really tough, the straw. No sun around at all at the moment, rain forecast tomorrow, so we should get it all wrapped up today if all the machinery behaves itself, which it's done so far this year without too many problems, so fingers crossed it keeps going for another day. It's a reasonable crop of wheat up here. We've got yield kind of in the, anywhere between 7 and 10, depending on sort of soil type and moisture retention. Moisture of the grains coming right down. The combine setting in terms of wind speed, drum, concave, and settings. This is where the active terrain comes in. It alters the sieve settings, the fan, depending on whether you're going uphill or downhill, and on a field like this, that's really important. Using the skids, we're not leaving particularly high stubble, we're chopping a lot of this straw up. We've got a bit of pollen and nectar mix just on this bit of a bank here, taking out a little field corner there under the wood that runs up to that little old barn up there. Yeah, that's on up the hill. So yeah, glad to be getting in the very final few hectares of harvest this year. It's still a really early harvest for us. I think I had a harvest here in 2003, which was kind of my earliest ever, if you like, it was yeah, that was very early. That was even earlier than this one, but it's great to be getting these harvested crops in the barn where they're safe. Rain is forecast. They are fit. The quality is probably just starting to deteriorate a little bit more. The straw, as you look at it, looks once it's chopped, it's not too bad, but actually when you look at it standing up, it's just got that bit of a black sort of tinge to it. Hopefully the mycotoxins, which are some of the spores, the fungal spores we get on these grains, won't be too hard for this particular crop and its end destination. Yeah, so that's where we are. Harvest 2018 drawing to a close.